master is on, and we can start. Okay, do you read me?
Yes, I do.
Good. Today we are recording also the intercom.
Oh, nice.
Good. So let's not say too much bullshit.
Okay.
I mean, we can't actually. Nobody's going to watch my videos anyway, so. So, very good. Okay.
Runway 08, QNH 1022.
Delta Romeo Papa Echo, runway 08, QNH 1022. 1022, okay, good. Transponder is standby, so we can taxi.
Alright.
You have the time?
Yes.
Let's take the time.
Alright, so we have 08 in use?
Sorry?
We have 08 in
Yes.
use? Any difference to runway 26? Any ideas?
Well, we have a final which is much shorter.
Yes. So we need to be a little bit earlier with everything.
Here the police, they have a beautiful plane.
The multi-engine?
Yeah, the Partenavia.
Yeah.
The P68. Engine run up. Mixture is rich. Throttle. 17 RPM. Magnetos. Right. Both. Left. Both. Carb heat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I guess we don't have ice now in the carburetor. Good. Egelsbach, info Delta Romeo Papa Echo ready for departure, runway 08.
Delta Papa Echo, the wind 130 degrees, 3 knots.
Delta Romeo Papa Echo landing up, runway 08.
So we'll film the takeoff
Okay, oh well, we...
for Instagram. Try to maintain center line, yeah?
Yeah. The wise people here, we complain, oh come on.
Last time someone said, do you need any help, guys? For example, with the center line? Was not with us.
Good. Airspeed is alive in building. 40. 50. Beautiful Frankfurt.
Don't fly in between. You have to fly over this,
Okay.
over the city.
Okay.
These people down here are the problem.
Okay, so this one is fine.
Yeah, and check your altitude. No turbulences today, no excuses.
Carburetor heat. Maintain altitude. When would you start the descent?
After flaps.
Okay, so now we let it descend a bit. Delta Romeo Papa Echo, turning left base runway 08 for touch and go.
The wind east, 3 knots.
we do the checks now already. Tab, mixture, flaps 30. $65.
And more. Hold it. More. Okay.
Celtic Romeo Papa Echo, turning left base runway 08 for touch and go.
Because when you have someone behind, if you have someone behind, you can make it a little bit shorter, of course. But when you have time, use your full length of your final approach. And be careful with your final turn. Don't be too slow. It was all perfect before, but make sure that you don't go too slow, especially when there's wind, of course. Huh?
Yeah, well, of course, today so 65 is fine, or you want me to go a bit faster?
No, it's perfect. Especially when you turn like this, it's easy.
Yeah, of course, because then the stall speed increases with the bank, so...
But just take care of it. And bring the power off, we're too high. Power off, come on. Focus on center line. And power off completely. No, it was not enough. No, not enough. Pull more. You have to pull much more.
Okay. Celtic Romeo Papa Echo, turning left base runway 08 for touch and go.
Delta Papa Echo.
Carb, mixture, flaps.
Now we are coming in with a nice altitude. more.